Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a handy little accessory for any guitar or bass player who does their own string changes, the Hexagonal Guitar String Winder Head. This tool is designed specifically to make the often tedious task of replacing strings much quicker and significantly easier. It's essentially a head that fits onto a drill or driver, transforming it into a super fast string winder. Constructed from a combination of plastic and metal materials, it feels quite practical and built to last, suggesting it can handle the repetitive task of winding strings without issue. Beyond just winding, this tool also features a built-in string peg puller, which is incredibly handy for acoustic guitars to safely remove bridge pins. Its core strength lies in speeding up winding and assisting with peg removal. One of the great things about this winder head is its size. Measuring approximately 6.5 by 4 centimeters, it's really quite small. This makes it super convenient to store in a gig bag pocket or a small compartment in your toolkit. It certainly won't take up much space, making it easy to keep with you or neatly organized. From what's described, the tool feels good in the hands when using it manually or attaching it, and it's said to operate smoothly when connected to a drill. This smooth operation is key to preventing damage to tuning pegs and ensuring a hassle-free string change. Ultimately, this hexagonal guitar string winder head is presented as a practical DIY maintenance accessory. It promises to cut down the time spent winding strings significantly, freeing up more time for playing. For anyone who changes strings regularly on their guitar or bass, especially if they have multiple instruments, this little head could be a real game changer, turning a chore into a quick task.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.